I dream, so you forgot to see this morning.
No, I'm time
What you say? What go on in the morning, yeah?
Me tie the line for yesterday, man.
A line?
Line me set for.
Out in the sea.
So tell me how you do it.
Catch fish, man. Shoot fish when they want to eat and type and hook and type and stone.
You anchor out a land?
No, man.
No, man.
In the sea type.
Last night, I go and tie it a ground, man.
So you put one big stone on the
No, I just tie it one big stone under the sea.
Under the sea?
Yeah.
So you go. What kind of hook? What size hook you use?
Maybe 1 6 or.
So you have to definitely go there go shoot them then?
No.
When you hook in English, you have to shoot him again.
So what that one your name?
A snapper.
A snapper, my favorite fish. So, how much pound you think in weigh, boss? 12 pounds. So what you do? Cut him up and sell him or you sell him all? So me can get 2 pounds and 5 we buy.
No, you not got your snapper now.
Yeah.
And I like a barra.
Yeah.
Oh my
When
word.
you cut it done.
It's
spoil up. Yeah. You understand?
Oh. So one man we come and buy that, you know.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Tell him your number, Selvin, because you thing up, you know. Tell him your number, make we set it out for you. Make we put you out there for you.
582 71 19.
We then can't find you.
Blackhill Radney.
Between Orange Bay.
Yeah. Blackhill.
Me have to go tell Maya, said this is how we are go fishing, you know.
Yeah, for what?
Guys.
I think alongside you have to dive. Dive now.
Oh my word, what a blessing in my morning, yeah. So that little one, you know, how you hold him?
Shoot him.
But like how you can hook
One
them,
in
so
the head, you know.
one in the head. So them you can go out there too?
What you mean?
You can glit like how this man can glit?
Why I'm bad me, but me can dive still and shoot that way, but you know.
No, not dive and shoot, dive and set the line.
Yeah, man, of course. Yeah, man, if I that alone if you do it to the ass clap.
Then you know if you take the practice up, man.
I don't know nothing to practice, man. I dive long time, sister, but you are my problem now. If
Yeah.
I go town and top dive,
Yeah.
so like me can't dive again. Because time I go in the water and come up back, right? And water going off in the ears.
So you can stuff in yourself in?
Yeah, yes plug still. Yeah, yes plug.
And that alone me top dive, man.
So how far out in the ocean you have to go if you do that setting here?
No, I'm not really far away.
That depends on where you see my feet. And feet come and show, you know. Shallow.
So if you want, you can go every night go do this and you may lucky, so?
Daytime.
You do it in the day?
Daytime we do that.
But yeah, man, we never get to go take up a line yesterday.
That's why next one you don't see me
That's
too.
why next one. That's why I don't see two of them.
Oh.
And maybe I would have one to call that one I can catch in the night.
Last night I didn't get.
And him still good. So one line you said?
Never did though.
No, 4 line I said.
And a one
He
fish
never
catch?
did, he never did.
When next one? You sell him down the road?
Spoil my girl.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
things spoil,
You
man.
got how big that one they be?
My way was 7.
Nice size.
So you got too late.
No, yesterday
we
the
couldn't
sea
get to go
shake
back.
up.
We looked up on the line yesterday evening.
Oh.
The sea shake.
The sea shake.
Dirty up. So we couldn't go there.
Oh. Anyway, me here say the jack them are coming now. A jack time, next month a jack time. So me have to go get one net.
Right now more line too. So me must get 2 of them pussy hole there.
Anyway, here was
Yeah man, blessing. Yeah, put him down for cool. Hold on. Yeah, so I saw with Joshua there. I saw we do it, you know. Me still not done talk, you know. So me I walk little with the fisherman them and talk about fish.
When you woke up in him, he never did.
him dead man, but you can't.
Mouth widey.
That means he
Yeah.
catch right yesterday and last night early.
Last night him catch.
You see me?
Him catch last night.
So now we're glad good to you know, because you're lucky not
Me
to
like
fuck
this.
him.
Natural life.
Now them big boy they buck him and say, what easy meal?
So you go back
Easy
tonight?
meal.
You go back tonight?
I don't really think that I go back longer or set no line. If I made a set line, I just set them back and go look on them back in the evening.
Alright.
Understand?
Yeah.
Yo, them did them man.
Then did they? So you see lobster?
Yeah, but lobster season closed.
So you can trouble the
$3
lobster.
million, Mr. Andrea sell one lobster for now, you know.
if they catch you with it?
Yeah, $3 million. So I say,
3 million if they catch you with lobster. So when a lobster season I come back?
lobster season I go open back, yeah, we're in now, May,
June.
June to July.
So what cause that? The lobster them a breed up? Yes. We have to get it right, you know.
So,
You have to get it right.
can't tell Mr. Andrea something them kind dear.
So about conch, you can't trouble the conch?
Them, you know, the last set the system away, you know.
Yeah.
You have to have conch license for one conch, you know. But me a fisherman.
But you're a licensed fisherman.
There you still have to have one conch license.
Conch license different from regular license. So you have to have lobster license too?
All of them something. They fuck up the whole thing, man.
Why,
They
I
fuck
tell
up the
you.
whole thing for you.
Them a make it hard.
Not easy and blood clot. I feel them life alone for you.
You understand?
Anyway, then can't stop we, you know.
Oh.
I try hard though.
Wow.
They can't stop we, you know.
They stop where they want to stop with.
I roll like a mash up.
Alright.
Yeah.
Is system set for no survive?
Yeah.
Them alone to fucking survive.
All right.
Mm.
Hold on. We want a shot.